Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage sound settings with EarTrumpet in 2026. We'll go through the main sound controls, adjust app volumes, and access additional sound options. Let's get started. First, click the EarTrumpet icon in the Windows system tray near the clock. If you don't see it, click the Show Hidden Icons arrow and then open EarTrumpet. Once the panel opens, you'll see your current playback device at the top. Below that, you'll find a list of applications that are currently playing audio. Each app has its own volume slider, allowing you to control the sound level independently. To change an app's volume, simply drag its slider left to decrease the volume or right to increase it. The changes take effect immediately, so you can hear the difference as you adjust the slider. If an application isn't listed, make sure it's running and actively playing audio. EarTrumpet only displays apps that are currently producing sound. You can also adjust the overall system volume by moving the master volume slider at the top of the panel. This changes the volume for your selected playback device. If your computer has more than one audio output device, click the device name at the top of the EarTrumpet window and choose a different playback device from the list. Windows will switch the audio output to the selected device. For additional sound options, right-click the EarTrumpet icon in the system tray. From the menu, you can quickly open the Windows volume mixer, sound settings, or other audio controls, depending on your version of Windows. If you need more advanced settings, click Sound Settings to open the Windows Sound page. From there, you can manage your playback devices, input devices, sound preferences, and troubleshoot audio problems. After making your changes, play a video or a song to test the sound and make sure everything is working correctly. That's how to manage sound settings with EarTrumpet in 2026. It's a simple and convenient way to control your audio without navigating through multiple Windows settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.